Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get the Heartbreaker Enchant in Fish It Roblox Valentines Part 2. So the second week of the Valentine's event is here and everyone is hunting for the new Heartbreaker Enchant. And if you want to catch the legendary 1 per 6 million Heartbreak Love Nessie, this is the enchants you need on your road. So here in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get it. So first, you need to have the candy enchant stone that you can fish inside the Heartfelt Islands. And this is also the island where you can do the enchant. And after that you can just stack your stones to the enchantment altar in the Heartfelt cave. So this is the place. So after that you can also use your luck totem in here. Place your luck totem. For example, I'm going to place the luck totem first in here like this. Hopefully the odds will increase for me to get the Heartbreaker Enchants. So now you can just hold your candy enchant stone and place it in the altar like this. Okay, so unfortunately I just got the glistening one, so you can also repeat it again if you if you still have the enchant stone, and hopefully you'll get the Heartbreaker. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.